Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to link email address on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Melbet app. So now we need to simply click on menu icon over here in the bottom right and click on the settings icon on the top right. Now if you scroll down, we can see this option called manage subscriptions. Simply tap on that. And over here on the top, we can see this option that is link email address. So let's tap on that. And we need to simply enter our email address here. Next. And the email address will be updated. For that, we need to click on send code and we'll get a confirmation code in our email address. And through that link, we can simply confirm it and email will finally be linked. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.